coaches. After our picture taking session, we'll be having another set of stories for the children. So in 5 minutes, we would like to start our second batch of short stories. Thank you. Okay, we got 5 minutes left. Take the pictures. 5 minutes left.
When Jango Fett saw what was happening, he fired up his jetpack and flew to the arena floor. But Mace Windu was ready for the bounty hunter. He charged, angling his lightsaber to deflect Jango's blast and stop Jango.
Ito po ko din yung napluto. Pinangarap ko yung maging first player lang.
Hindi maayos yung condition. Cute naman.
Bad beats. Ito may t-shirt niya. Bad
For
beats.
the paripas.
Sorry.